I'm Bhagyashree. I'm basically from Karnataka and I did my MBA from ABBS.
You worked across different industries.
I'm a quick learner and I really like to adapt to new things.
Marketing is evolving very fast.
You can't be stuck into only direct marketing.
What makes ABPS stands out as a business school in your opinion?
It gives opportunity to every student.
What advice would you like to give to the students who want to make it big in the field of marketing or human resource?
Don't be scared of anything.
Hi, I welcome you to Change Makers by ABPS podcast. Thank you so much for joining us in today.
Thank you, Neeta. I'm really glad that I got this opportunity to talk to you, and I'm really fortunate enough, and I'm really grateful for ABBS for having me here.
So, before we get into the actual conversation, would you mind letting us know a bit about yourself, your journey so far, and also the work that you do?
Yeah, sure. So, let me introduce myself. I'm Bhagyashree. I'm basically from Karnataka. That is north part of Karnataka. I'm from Ballari. I did my undergraduation in Ballari itself, and I did my MBA from ABBS. And my core specifications are HR and marketing. So currently, I'm working as a HR officer in Ballari. The company name is Minra Steels. So basically, I was into marketing, and currently I'm in HR. So
Right.
yeah.
Yes. So, when did you first realize that you wanted to pursue a career in marketing and human resource?
So basically, I am a people's person. I love talking to people. I love interacting with people. So actually, I thought of doing core HR only. One of my professor, he told me to get into marketing. So I just thought marketing is only about sales. That's it. But when my professor told that it's not just about sales, it is you have a different fields in it, like digital marketing, content creating, and then you have a brand management, you have a product management, you have a email marketing. And I realized, okay, these are the various things to explore. And I really like to explore new things. Not, I just don't want to be stuck into one thing and like, I don't want to be like, this is the only thing which I'm good at. I want to know what are the different things in which I am good at, and I want to learn new things. I want to get a new exposure. So that's the thing. I chose marketing also. And
You'd say that's a great perspective to decide on which career you want to go ahead. Thank you so much for sharing that. And also, you have worked across different industries. So, how do you adapt those strategies when switching between different sectors?
the thing is that I'm a quick learner and I really like to adapt to new things. I really like to know different things. It's just I don't want to be stuck in one thing. Oh, this is my thing and I want to be here itself. No, I want to know different things. What are the different fields? What are the different people to meet new people to get a new knowledge about the new things. Like nowadays, you can't stuck to one thing and you can't be like, okay, this is my field, and I have to stick into that. When you get to new exposures, only then you will get a new knowledge and you will know that these are the different things which I am good at. These are the things which I'm not good. Let me learn from that. I think you have to be open to new exposures, whatever it is. Don't be scared of like I can't do this, I can't do that. No, get into that. Even if you do mistakes also, you'll learn, okay, these things where I can improve, these things which I'm good at, these things we can like I can develop into, or like I can grow from new things. Learn, like be open to talk to new people, to learn new things. Like that's what I want to tell about. Like that's why I switch to one industry to another industry.
Yeah. Right. So marketing is evolving very fast, I would say.
Yeah.
So what is that one thing that really excites you the most?
Basically, now the technology is improving day by day. Like we have a AI thing in this generation. So that's the thing with You can't be stuck into only direct marketing. Now we have a different things like email marketing, content creating, digital marketing, like influencer marketing. Learned like recently I got to know about this influencer marketing also, where you can talk to social media influencer and they can promote your products more than the usual marketing thing like ads and ads on TV or something. But now you have a different platform to promote your brands, to do marketing. So that's the thing which like keeps me driving to learn new things, to get new knowledge about different things. Yeah.
So, which is that one campaign or project that you have worked earlier in your career, and you're still really proud of that campaign? Can you just give a glimpse of that?
Yeah, basically the thing which I got like new exposures are because of projects and because of getting into my career. Projects, I would like to say from college itself. When I was in ABBS, we had this group projects in the first sem. That's the reason, like, when I got to talk to people, when I thought, like, yeah, I'm good at talking to people, I'm good at getting new knowledge from different kind of people, like doing activities or participating in different things in college. The one thing is like, yeah, I would say in the first semester when we did a project on like strategic management with my friends, like with my batchmates, that's the project I'm really proud that I got to know that, yeah, I'm good in talking to people or I'm a people's person.
What makes ABPS stands out as a business school in your opinion?
I would like to say it's different from other colleges because it doesn't focus on like people who are good in already good in few field. It gives opportunity to every student, individual students, like all the professors. They monitor, they mentor each and every individual students. They like let you explore the new things. They push you to your best actually. They'll always say that we are back of you. You go, you do, you learn things. We will always be supporting to you. I'm fortunate enough that I ended up in ABBS. Like I got a seat in ABBS. I got this exposure in ABBS. Or else I would have never known that I'm good at like few other things. I thought like I had a this stage fear thing, but our professors pushed me to like do my best. Whenever I'm on stage, I thought like this is my thing. I'm good at it. I don't have a stage fear. You don't need to be scared of anything. You are good at it, and you will. They always encourage you to do the best. They always supported me. Like they always encouraged me to do good things. They always said, "You are good at this. Go participate in new things. Be open to everything. Be like open to new exposures. Don't stuck in one place." So that's the thing which differentiates from other colleges. ABBS is like, I'm really grateful that I have these kind of professors. I got to meet these kind of professors, and I'm really grateful for my director to give me this opportunity. Like I ended up here. Yeah, thank you for having me, Nita, here.
So, do you have a favorite memory during your MBA days at ABPS which still inspires you in your life?
Yeah, I had a like. I just can't say one thing. There are many things where I thought like I am not known to professors or something, but they know me by my name. Whenever I participated in new thing like activities or some presentations and all, they always recognize that you are good at talking to people. You are a good listener. You are like good in presenting things. You like make people understand things in an easy way. That's the favorite thing or favorite memory that I have from IBBS is like every professors, they know you by your name, and like they know you by your qualities, what you're good at, and they always encourage you to push, like go do this thing. You are good at it. Even if you fail, we are here for you. Like we will always have your back. So that's the favorite memory, like with my professors and with my college mates. No one ever discourages you for anything. Like they'll always say, learn from the new things, learn, go, like be open to exposures, be open to new experience, learn from each and every person.
Yeah, that's what, and that actually helps the students of ABPS to sustain in any kind of environment and bloom out of it. So that really helps. Actually, I have seen that in many of the students. So, what advice would you like to give to the students and professionals who want to make it big in the field of marketing or human resource?
I would like to say that don't be scared of anything. Don't be scared of. Go, get to learn. Even if you fail, you will learn one or the other thing. You will know what you are good at, what you are not good at. If you know what you are good at, please keep improving on those things. Like work on those things. If you fail, even that is also learning. That these things which you are not good at, it's okay, fine, no worries. You are young, you have a lot of time to work on yourself, so just don't be scared of new exposures. Talk to people, learn about the environment, learn. Only when you talk to people, only then you will get to know what kind of environment you are in, what kind of things you will like. You will get to know about the organization, what things you need to improve. Learn each and every day is a learning process. So don't be scared of anything. Just have confidence in yourself. Have faith in yourself that you can do whatever the things comes. So this is the advice. Don't be scared of anything.
Great, great. All right. It was really an insightful conversation with you. Thank you so much for joining us in today.
I'm really fortunate enough to get this opportunity. I would love to thank ABBS. I would love to thank you as well, Nita, for being patient enough to listen to me. Yeah, thank you, Nita.